them guys get ahead. So I can film them going up this canyon. We switched up bikes, and I'm on the KTM 690 and let Ray take the Himalayan. He had a bad spill going up a hill, so I figured he might have a little bit better luck on the Himalayan. This 690 is a real beast, boy. Got plenty of horsepower, that's for sure. Now this this KTM really gets and goes. It's got a lot of power compared to my Himalayan. Watch out for these washes here.
His hand signals real quick, and I'm watching my boy make sure he ain't dumb shit.
I'll be back here. I'll get it the fuck up.
And then I get up this hill here, and I go, okay, it got quiet again. So let me spin a Rooney.
Spin a Rooney, come back around.
Come on back, check on my boy, and he's like, bent the shifter.
Did you get all the way up the hill?
Yeah, I got up there a little bit, and there's a little cutout.
Cut out where you turn around?
Yep.
Okay.
Turned it out, turned back around again. I'm like, let me go find my boy again.
Well, I'm going to stay. I'm going to cook brisket tomorrow.
Hey, Ray, how's it going?
It could be better, sir. It could be better.
I think
Joe, I owe you more ammo.
It's kicking his ass. This trail's kicking his ass.
To say the least, it's kicking my ass.
Ray decided he didn't like the Himalayan. He's going to jump back on the KTM. I can't blame him. The KTM, it's so much higher. It's got so much more travel, and it's a great bike for climbing over this stuff. But the Himalayan does a good job too. Okay, we've switched motorcycles again. I'm going to ride the Himalayan and Ray's back on the KTM. He sideswiped the giant rock and bent the gear shifter back, parallel with the shifter itself. The little peg that comes out was completely laid back flat, and I just took a wrench and we just bent it back. People complain about these Himalayans, the steel being soft, but the good thing about that is if you bend something, you can just bend it right back and just go about your business. Whereas if it was a lot stronger, you might snap it off. So I'm gonna take lead this time. Oh, shit. Well, both of our novice riders here have taken a fall. All right, we got ourselves a little pickle here. Ray's got himself down in a hole. Okay, I think we got. All right, yeah, just Andy, you got it? You got it?
I got it. I might have slowed down, but I got stuck in that rut over there.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go up that way. Don't go over here.
I'll have to cut it down.
Like a champ. Looked like a little scat there on the ground. Yeah, this road is way rougher than it was 2 years ago when I was on this road. I guess they haven't come through here and done any work at all on this road, because it's got some pretty bad spots. For Ray back there hasn't ridden a dirt bike in like 40 years, so it's probably a little unfair to bring him on this road. I didn't realize it was so dang bad. But hopefully we'll get through it all right. Well, Old Ore Road is in really bad shape compared to 2 years ago. But Ray took another really bad spill. His bike went off the side of the road, and it was about a 20-foot drop, almost straight down. And luckily the bike just hung right on the edge in some soft sand. But he was lucky he didn't go all the way over down. But anyway, we got the bike recovered, and I'm gonna put him back on the Himalayan. Easier. It's a lot harder to get yourself in trouble on a Himalayan than it is in a KTM 690. All right, we're dropping down into McKinney Springs. The road looks like it's pretty well washed out here. We got some cones up ahead. I hope it's all right. dropping down into McKinney Springs here. Last time I was here, there was water, and I caught a hawk bathing in the water when I came through. It's pretty dry right now, so I don't think we're gonna see any hawks. All right, Ray, put them feet back up on the bike. Yeah, Ray found his bike. It's the little 250. Feels pretty confident on that one. So he just takes it easy and puts his feet out. So you almost lost it there. I need to get out of my way and keep going. Keep that momentum up, Ray. He's got it. Their feet are like big outriggers. All right, I got all that on tape. Yeah. So Ray's feet are like the big outriggers on them catamarans, you know?
I think once or twice my foot maybe came off, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that bike up.
Hey, I'm gonna fucking workout, man.
Oh no, yeah. All right, let me turn this off here.
Good shit. Good stuff. Good stuff.